Hello friends, Running Kimono, and we're going to talk about the best gain deals this week over at the Dollar General, stacking these two boosters together. Not all regions this works, but if it doesn't, I have a plan B for you that I'll share with you in a second. But we're going to go through the ground rules of putting these two together. Obviously on Saturday the 4th, when these two stack, that is the most advantageous day to do these deals. If you're going to go before that, it's an extra $5. So a couple rules. Again, Saturday the 4th, best day to do this. To get $10 of savings off of a $30 basket of gain. Use the Dollar General app to scan barcodes to ensure that whatever you're grabbing, that 5 off of 30 is attaching with. That is absolutely critical. Don't use the app to throw everything in a list because you will be $5 short even if you do it on Saturday. You physically have to go into the store and do the deal. So if you're just going to sit at home and play, math Dollar General shopper, it's not going to balance. That's for sure. These are Michigan prices as well, so if you're living in a different part of the United States, it might be more, it might be less. Any issues you have at checkout, don't be shy to void your transaction. Now, if you cannot get the two to stack, if you've been in the store this week and got one of these, yes, you can use this with the 5 off of 30. The two of them work in concert. So hopefully you don't have any trouble at checkout. I know a lot of you, I read the comments, and a lot of people do have problems, But a lot of these deals are 100% digital, and presenting this, most of cashiers will see that you're buying $30 of merch and not give you too much problems with this. Okay, the first deal that we're going to look at is 100% digital. And again, we're going on Saturday the 4th, so we're going to need our two best friends, which is the 5 off of 30 and the 5 off of 25. The first item that we're going to grab is this 51 count of the Gain Flings. 3 different scents for this, and I believe the digital is attaching to all 3, but again, scan the barcode to ensure it's attaching pourvu. And we have a $3 digital coupon, so how nice is that? So make sure that you have this guy loaded. The next little item that we're going to grab is one of these fabric softeners for $6.95. And we have a very generous $2 digital for fabric care, so please make sure you have that guy loaded. And then we're also going to grab for $3.95 a bag of the flings. I really like these sometimes more than detergent because it really cuts out the guesswork of how much you pour into the cap. And we need this dollar digital loaded. So if you wanted to grab dryer sheets or the fireworks, you can also do that. But make sure you scan the back of the item to make sure that this digital coupon and the 5 off of 30 are attaching. We're going to grab 2 cans for $3 of the FEBREZE Air Effect with the Gain logo. If you look at the bottom in green, see how it says Gain? That's the one that we're grabbing. And then we have this very generous coupon that showed up on Sunday, which is a $3 off 2, and this is working in concert with Gain. So all those digital coupons, make sure you have them loaded, and here is the deal. Grabbing 1 Gain Fling 51 count is $13.50, 1 Gain Fabric Softener for $6.95, 1 Gain Fling, that little bag, for $3.95, and then 2 FEBREZE Air Effect with the Gain scent for $6. Adding all of that merchandise up, that's $30.45. As the cashier is scanning all of your stuff, that's when you punch in your phone number. After the cashier scans the last item, he or she presses the final pay button. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 will come off, along with $9 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $11.40 plus your tax for the 5 items. Without the tax, it shakes out to $2.28 per product, which I think is a really great deal. It's kind of like, you're paying for the fling at a reduced cost for everything. So I think it's a really good, smart deal. Okay, deal 2 is again 100% digital. So, if your store gives you a hard time, these digital deals are quite fantastic. Make sure you have the 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 loaded. Now in the ad, I'm just going to show you a couple pictures instead of what's at my store. Grab one of these products for $3.95 so you can see what's listed, the dollar digital, blah, blah, blah. And here is the digital for this guy, which is the dollar off. As you can see, this one is expiring on the 4th, so it's definitely a use it or lose it sort of scenario, pourvu. And then we're going to grab one of the flings for $13.50 and one of those big mamas for $13.50, the 96 load. And then we have a $3 and a $2 digital that we need loaded. And these are the 2 digitals that you need loaded to your store card, the 3 for the flings and the $2 for that larger one. Make sure that you scan to ensure that these digitals along with the 5 off of 30 are attaching. Okay, so looking at the mathematics for this one, One gain fling, 51 count is 13.50. One gain liquid, 96 load is also 13.50. We have a $3 and a $2 digital for those two. And the one gain fireworks for $3.95, and we have a $1 digital for that. So your total here is $30.95. As the cashier is scanning your merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number. The cashier hits the final pay button. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with $6 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $14.95 out of pocket for the 3 items. So if you think about it, of the 3 little matchups, this one kind of isn't the most glamorous, but it's like you're paying for like one of the larger products and getting the other 2 items at a very reduced cost. So if you were a newer couponer trying to build up your stockpile, that's why, getting these 2 larger products may be a great deal for you. Okay, so the final deal is with insert coupons, and this one's more for more advanced shoppers. We're going to need our 2 friends loaded, which is the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30. So in the air care section, we have these value packs, which are 2 together. They're bonded with plastic around it, and they are $5 each. If you look at the bottom, it says gain, and they're $5 each, and it's working with the 5 off of 30 and the 5 off of 25. Now for this, what we're going to do at checkout is present 2 of these air effects and then present 1 of these coupons. 2 products, 1 coupon. You need to do this weird, stupid jog because if you present 2 coupons at the end, 1 will scan, 1 will beep. It's just the way that their cash registers work. So you have to do that dumb jog. Along with, you need this digital loaded, which is the 3 off of 2. So altogether, that's $9 of digital coupons pairing with the 5 off of 30 and 5 off of 25. That's $19 off this basket. That's amazing. Okay, so again, looking at the mathematics for this, we're grabbing 6 of those FEBREZE air effects, the double packs with the gain scent. That's $30. We got to do this stupid jog of give 2, present a coupon, give 2, present a coupon. And as the cashier is scanning your stuff, that's when you punch in your phone number, even at the very beginning. And after the $6 of coupons comes off, and a lot of you are going to say, well, I'm going to dip down $6 less for this basket. The answer to that is no, because the numbers do not get balanced until the cashier presses the final pay button and everything will stack. It's very weird to explain, but it's Dollar General math. So that's my explanation. So anyhow, 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with the 1 3 off of 2 digital. You're paying $11 for the 6 or $1.83 each. I know a lot of you absolutely love Gain FEBREZE Air Care. This is the deal for you. And that coupon is from the December P&G. So you would need 2 of them for this dealio and a store that would let you scan 2 and a coupon. So pick a friendly store. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!